The next thing we are going to look at is how to enable promotions on your web hosting platform. The next thing we are going to do is to demo how your users will order your hosting as well as your domain name. And then we'll look at how to add promo codes. So let's just go ahead and click on order hosting. And then let's select one of these plans. Okay, so let's say we are selecting the Go Basic plan. And then we enter our domain. So the domain that we are using here is Big Joe Collection, and we are going to check its availability. Now this is how your users are going to carry out ordering, and go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so right here in your configurations page, we are going to select a billing cycle. So we'll select 1 year billing cycle and go ahead and click on continue. Let's assume that your users will select any of these domain add-ons and proceed. Okay, so right here you have the list of your billing cycle or the products. Okay, so we have a Go Basic hosting as well as your shared hosting, as well as that of your domain name. Now right here you have your domain registration, and then these are the domain add-ons that you selected. Okay, so you have the domain name and then you have the domain add-ons. So what we are going to do is learn how to add promo codes, and then your users can apply those and then validate. Return to your WHMCS software, go to settings, and under settings in the search tool just type in promotion, and then you should have, let's just go ahead and complete that, promotion, and then you should have promotions and coupons. Go ahead and click on promotions and coupons. Right here we do not have any promotions or promo codes. Go ahead and click on create new promotions, and right here you can use this auto generate code to generate a coupon code. So go ahead and click on that, so auto generate, and then you have a randomly generated coupon code. Okay, now if you want to generate a code for your affiliate, or they requested a custom made promo code, you can just go ahead and type that. So in this case I'll type in Adele 25, and the type that I'm going to use here is the percentage. Let's say you want to give them a fixed amount. So anytime someone uses this promo code, you want to just give them a fixed amount of, let's say, $10. You can go ahead and do that, and let me just do Adele 50. So let's assume we are giving them 50%. Okay, so I'm using Adele 50, and then we are using the percentage. Now if you want them to use this coupon code and have a free setup, in which case they will not pay you a dime for setting up their account. Okay, so you can also select that. Now I'm going to use the percentage. I don't advise you give them all the service for free, and I'm going to set the value. So just go ahead and put a value of $50, and we want it to apply to our hosting. So we want to select our Go Basic, our standard, and Go Unlimited plan. So go ahead and select them. Okay, and if it is required, if you want it to be required for specific areas, okay, so if you want it to be required for your Go Basics, for any one ordering your Go Basic plan, if you want that to be required, you can go ahead and allow, but I'm just going to leave this as they are. Now also allow existing product accounts to qualify for promotion. What I don't want to do is for our users to still use a promo code anytime they are renewing their account. Okay, so I'm not going to check this. Now for your billing cycle, we want this promo code to be applied to our quarterly and that of our annual plans. Okay, so if the person is ordering a monthly plan, this will not apply. If they order, let's say 6 months, this will apply, or let's just say semi-annually, this will apply, and our annual plan will also apply to this coupon code. Now for domains, I don't want to apply coupon codes to domains. We will just leave our domains as they are. Whatever you order, you pay that amount. Okay, so anybody who applies the coupon code, that coupon code will not get applied to domains. Now on our start day, you can just click on it and click on today. We are starting today. Now you can leave this blank. Expiry, we don't want this to expire, so leave blank for none. So we don't want any expiry date. Now you can add a maximum number of users. For the maximum number of users, in case it reaches this maximum number, the coupon code will just automatically stop applying. Okay, so by the time 200 people would have used this coupon code, you will not have any option than to create or come and change the maximum number of uses, or better still, just leave it as 0, in which case it can be used unlimited, and then it will never expire after a number of uses. Okay, yes, so this is the maximum number of uses. We are leaving it at 0, and this will allow unlimited use. And we have lifetime promotions. Okay, so this pricing is applied even on upgrade and downgrade orders in the future. So if you have a user on your platform that was previously on the Go Basic plan and want to proceed to purchase the standard plan, you can allow them to use that your promo code to be able to upgrade. Okay, now we want this to be applied once. You cannot apply it multiple times. If you are able to apply it multiple times, then we are basically not making anything for this service. Okay, we also want to apply strictly to new signups. So if a user is signing up to their account for the first time, we want to apply that to them, and we want to apply once per client globally. Okay, so we apply only once per client globally. That is only one order allowed per promo. So you can also check that. We do not want to apply to existing clients. Don't allow your existing clients who have already used your promo code to sign up to use your promo code for renewals. Okay, so just make sure that this is not enabled, and then you can also enable for upgrade and downgrade of products. Okay, so you can go ahead and check this, and then you can see there's a whole lot of configurations that you are going to do. Now, I'm not going to go through that. You can do that later on. And then you can have a text right here as the admin note. You can just add in something here, code for new users. So you can just add a code just describing this plan. So anytime you visit the plan, you know what it is about. And just go ahead and click on save changes. Now we have successfully added our coupon code. So what we are going to do is to apply this coupon code to the order that we were just carrying out. So return to your cart, and what I'm going to do is to enter this promo code. Let me just go check that out. And this is our promo code. I'm going to copy it, and right here in our checkout page, I'm going to paste this promo code. And once the promo code is pasted, go ahead and click on validate. And then as you can see, they get a discount of 16.68 US dollars by applying that coupon code. Okay, and then they can proceed with checkout. So yeah, that is how your users can use their promo codes to check out. And then once they enter their billing information, they will be paying the amount on. Let's go ahead and refresh, continue. They will be paying this amount right here instead of the 59 US dollars. So yeah, so discount codes help, or affiliate codes helped in selling your application or your web hosting platform, since users are going to be aware that okay, they are getting a discount on all your products that you are serving to them. All right, yeah, so that is it for adding promo codes.